Hi! Welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will try to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve the problem in less than 10 seconds. So here's the problem. If 5/7 of an integer is 1125, 4/7 of the same integer will be A. 5625, B. 4500, C. 7875, D. 900, E. 1124. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method, 5/7 of x equals 1125. Therefore, x equals 1125 times 7 over 5. Therefore, 225 times 7 equals 1575. Therefore, 4/7 of 1575 equals 1575 times 4 over 7, which is equal to 900. And the answer is letter D. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now, for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT, and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's face the same question and see. Remember, our answer was option D, 900. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem and if it can give us the answer as fast as using the standard method. Alright, it already has the answer and it gave us the correct answer, letter D, 900. And it definitely was faster than solving the problem using the boring method. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option D, 900. And let's see if Gemini gets the answer faster than ChatGPT. Alright, it already has the correct answer and the answer is letter D. Both AIs are definitely awesome. It gave us the correct answer faster than, I wouldn't say the speed of light, but it definitely was really fast. As I had promised, let's see a faster and smarter way, or maybe the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, the smart way. Simply find those options that are multiples of 4. This is because the answer is 4 over 7 times some integer. In this case, the multiples of 4 are options B, D, and E. Of these, option B can be eliminated as 4 over 7 times some integer is less than 5 over 7 times some integer. But in case of option B, 4,500 is greater than 1,125. Also, option E can also be eliminated as 1,124 is very close to 1,125. Hence, answer is option D. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this problem. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.